Good afternoon. Hi Vasavi ma'am. Hi Anusha Pandi. Hi. Hi Vasavi. Good. I'm super. Hi Shukanya. Hi Amu Princey. Good afternoon. Hi Ganga. Good afternoon ma'am. Hi Kanye Guna. Good afternoon. I'm super Satish. Hi ma'am, can you please update my order? Kantapalli Raju ma'am. Today it will be dispatched. Hi, good afternoon ma'am. Saptingla in a special Pongal today. Hi Rogini. Hi Pradyuksha. Hi Vinita. Hi Divya. Hi Priya. Hi Radhika. Hi Aishwarya. Hi Kokila Shri. Hi Aishwarya Dilip, Aishwarya Ilango, 2 Aishwaryas today. Wow. Hi Mani Surya. Thank you Kavita. Budget friendly items coming akka. Kandipa, Raja Krishna. Today no, I'm going to show you nice rose gold pendant and chain. It's like for western outfit. It is very beautiful. Okay, Kantapalli ma'am. Harshita, Simi Abhilasha, thank you for sharing. Today special rose gold pendants and some earrings I will show you. Nice earrings. Leela Prema ma'am. Good afternoon. Hope everyone had your morning breakfast. Now I think lunch preparation will be been finished, right? Hi Sonia. Hi Raja Krishna Raji. Chaya Krishna Chaya. Tulsi Lakshmi. Good afternoon. Kalpana, super Nagaveni, super. Thank you Harshita. Thank you so much. Now I will show you. Good afternoon. Banu, good afternoon. So dull அப்படியா தெரியலையே டல்லா இருக்கனான்னு தெரியலையே எனக்கு. Good afternoon. Lunch, yeah, after 2 o'clock lunch. Okay, we'll go for the live. Today no, I'm going to show you nice pendants like this rose gold. You can wear it for western outfit. It will be very pretty. This is a butterfly. Priya also there. Yes, this is a butterfly with nice marble cut stones with AD rose gold. This is for 690. It is very pretty and you can use it for kids and elders. Kalayarisi ma'am, all the dispatch will happen, all the gifts will be dispatched after the lockdown open, because today when we are dispatching, lot of products are stuck into the courier depot itself. They are not doing door delivery, so all the gifts will be dispatched after the after the lockdown opens for sure. Okay, this is a pretty butterfly, very nice small cut marble stone, 690 rupees. Nice dark green color, olive green color with outer you will get nice AD stone. I will just show you one piece if it is available. Yeah. Good afternoon, Shravani, Chellam, Shobha Manogar, Suja. Good afternoon. Thank you. This is the rose gold. Very pretty. Very, very pretty piece. You will get nice small cut stones like marble stones with outer side with American diamond white stones and golden lines in the butterfly. This is 690 rose gold. Rose gold which I am wearing. Rose gold. Very, very pretty. Nice piece. 690. 690. It is suitable for all the western outfits. Nice salwar. If you are having a nice boat neck salwar, illana round neck salwars, you can use this. This pendant is amazing actually. This is for 690 rupees. You can book. Customer care number 7339588688. Customer care number 7339588688. Ganesha rings, everything sold out, and I posted wrongly in Facebook. The price was wrong, so we could not. We had three also sold out. This is. Hello. Very pretty, very pretty. It was like emergency call. Very pretty. You will get nice dark green color butterfly, like very pretty, which I am wearing. 690. Even the kids and elders can use this. Very nice rose gold with the adjustable rings backside. 690. I have got pretty collections in this. Another design. Thank you, Kitty. Another design. See, crown and the heart. Crown and the heart. Rose gold. This is very nice. You can see the crystals here. Very pretty crystals. This is 550. I have got colors in this. 550. Yes, for kids daily use. Tanni padama paathukonga. Rose gold, no. Functional wear, it will be very nice. Very pretty, see. Very pretty. I have got two colors in this. Milky white and green color. Turquoise green. Green color. 550. 550. This we can use for office wear and all. It will be very nice. For nice kurtis and all you can wear. It will be very nice. See. Even you can gift your loved ones. Budget friendly. You can gift your loved ones. See. Nice colors. This is green and half white. Crown with AD stones. You can gift your loved ones. Only 550. Even you can gift on the birthdays, kids' birthday and all. Very pretty. 550 ma. Rose gold. Salem Fairlands. Next is 650 starfish. Jayasudha ma'am ka milky white. Okay, done, noted. This is starfish. Very pretty and peculiar collection. These collection you will not get in regular shops. These are very pretty. You will not get anywhere. If you go to malls and all, no, you will get it. These are the very designer collection, and the stones I will show you in the back camera. You can see small stones in the back camera. See. All zircon stones and American diamond stones. You can see that green stones, small cut stones. It's a marble stones. Vanakkam Sagodari. I will show you colors in this. I have got very pretty colors in this. Starfish also. Please, for immediate booking, no confirmation, give your colors in customer care number 7339588688. Mritula Satish. See, this is half white. This is green. This is green. 2 shades is there in green. I will show you. See, these are the colors. All rose gold. You will get starfish. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Very pretty colors. You will get nice zircon stone in the center and AD stone as outline. You can use it for all salwars, kids wear and all. Very pretty. Ramya Vikti, I can change the gold chain for this pendant. Yeah, you can use it for the gold chain also, ma'am. You can use it small chain actually. You should in the pencil chain salvanga theriyuma, pencil tip chain salvanga. It will be very thin layer. That chains you can use it for starfish. Few ringgits of bigger size. See, this is 3 colors I have got. Thank you, Ramya. But my color has gone, Ramya. I don't know. I'm looking. Yeah, I have got 3 colors. Starfish 660, but I said 650. No issues. 650. Milky white, dark green. This is a very pretty. See, these all for kids. It will be amazing. அவங்களோட வெஸ்டர்ன் அவுட்ஃபிட்க்கெல்லாம் நீங்கள் போட்டிங்க அப்படின்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். Okay, you can book it. Next is like duck. This is very pretty. You will get swan, like swan. This is for 560. Swan, rose gold swan. These are for kids. It will be awesome. Awesome. See, super duper piece. You can see very fabulous circle design swan with AD stones and cut stones. 550 rupees. Hi Indu. 550. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. మీరు సల్వార్స్కు వేసుకోవచ్చు, సారీస్కు వేసుకోవచ్చు, ఫ్యాన్సీ సారీస్కు, కిడ్స్కి అంతా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. కొన్ని మీరు అంతా డ్రెస్కు యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. 550 స్వాన్. I will show you in back camera. 1 minute. See, very pretty. The wings with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. This is a swan. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. It looked like real rose gold jewelry. 550. Next is 530. Hearts, very nice. You see, no, you can gift your loved ones, friends, family and all. This is very worth for gifting, friends. See, very pretty. I've got colors. I will show you. 530 plus shipping. 530 plus shipping. These are the colors available. 530. This is no free shipping. No free shipping. This is 530. This is light. This is baby pink. This is dark green color. Everything is rose gold. 530 plus shipping. 530 plus shipping. You can book it. Very pretty. You can book it immediately now. So customer care number 7339588688. This is silver collection. This you can use it for daily wear. Silver you can use it for daily wear. 450. 450 flower. 450 flower. Flower. I've got colors in this, pink and green. Pink and green. Flowers, super duper piece. This is for 450. 450. I will show you pink also. Pink color. Pink. Very pretty. 450. 450. $450. Nice colors, very pretty. 450. You can book it, ma'am. 7339588688. Silver color you can use daily wear. Silver you can use daily wear. In this another color, silver, blue. Okay, ma'am, done. Very pretty, blue. In silver, no, I have pumpkin, Holoven, silver, half white, Holoven, pumpkin, very pretty. This is for 490. Next one, football, rose gold, 530. Football, 530. See, this is 530. Very, very pretty. Football, 530 rupees. Football, this is nice green color. Sea green, like not sea green, it's sea blue color. It's a blue color, sea blue, very pretty. Football with AD stone filled, 530. No ma'am, no free shipping. We never do anything in free shipping. I'm sorry. Next, beautiful swan, very pretty. See, very, very pretty. Swan, super duper swan. Very pretty. I will show you in back camera. 490. Hi Priya Mukesh. 490. Swan. In this we have got silver and rose gold. Swan, very beautiful. 490. 490 rupees. 490. This is silver color. Silver polish. Silver polish, green color swan. Silver polish, green color swan. Shipping amount Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana 100. Other states we are charging 200 rupees. This is swan, silver polish, green color. Swan we have in swan rose gold we have got two colors. Wait, super Preeti, super. These are the swan colors. See, these are the swan colors, very pretty colors, white, green and pink. I will show you in back camera. See, very pretty. Thank you. These are the pink color, full white and green color. This is for 490. You can book it in the customer care. Each 490, 3 colors available, pink, green and off-white. Swan 490 plus shipping charges. And wait, I will show one more nice design. Wait. In football, no, I have got colors. See, green, football, green, sorry, blue, half white, dark green. In football, I have got blue, green and white. White. These are the colors I have in football. You can book it. Very pretty. Football. This is football is 530. You can book it. So I'll post all the pics in Facebook. You can see once whichever you want and book it again. Don't miss to follow the Facebook because I'm posting all the pics in Facebook. So you can easily see the view of the product, color of the product and the finishing of the product very well, and you can book the products. Don't miss to follow the Facebook. Complete range of products we are posting in the Facebook. Okay. So many asked for few rings, earrings, jhumkas. I will show you some jhumkas. These are the jhumkas, very pretty jhumkas. Ma'am, no ma'am, it is not regular use. It's all functional use. This is a very pretty jhumka with a peacock and nice golden balls. 850 rupees. 850 rupees. You can book this jhumka. Everything what I'm showing is single piece. Ipa na kaatradhu ellame single piece. You can book it immediately. This is for 850 rupees. I will show you in the back camera. Very nice and stunning. See. Very pretty. 850 rupees with golden balls and gemstones. 850. And one more beautiful earrings. 650. 650 rupees. 650 rupees. Very pretty piece. Very pretty piece. 650. I have got in this full ruby and multi stones. 650 rupees. See, this is the multi. 650. 650. $650. 650. I have got 2 colors in this. You can book it. See. I've got 2 colors. This is a very pretty, nice, long earrings. You will get 650 rupees. 2 colors available. I will show you the colors. 650. No problem. I'll show you, ma'am. See, these are the colors available in 650. You can book it. One is ruby and one is multi. 650 rupees for all your bookings. Ma'am, no guarantee for our products. அது நீங்க எப்படி வெச்சிக்கிறீங்களோ அப்படிதான் மேம். ஓகேவா? இதெல்லாம் ஆர்ட்டிஃபிஷியல் ஜுவல்லரி. ஐம்பொன் கிடையாது. This is nice peacock with Lakshmi. A American diamond pink and green color stone. 650. 650 rupees. 650. Very nice. 2 peacocks, ruby and emerald, center Lakshmi. 650 for all your bookings. You can go to 7339588688. 7339588688. So we'll meet up with tomorrow beautiful live with beautiful collections. Okay, stay tuned for Akshavi Trends. Don't miss to go and see all the products in Facebook and Instagram also. Shortly we will be launching our website and app very shortly. Okay, bye bye, see you. All your bookings 7339588688.